Hello, my pre-calculus student. In this video, we are going to use inverse trigonometric function to find a missing angle. Let's look at the given triangle. Theta is an acute angle, which is an angle less than 90 degrees. And we label the opposite sides, which is the side opposite with the angle theta. Adjacent side, which is the side that's next to the angle theta, and hypotenuse side is the side that's opposite with the right angles. If side of the acute angle theta is opposite over hypotenuse, then inverse side. This notation that means inverse. So you think about the inverse of a function. Inverse side of opposite over hypotenuse is angle theta. So you use the inverse trigonometric function to find the angles. If cosine of the acute angle theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse, then inverse cosine of adjacent divided by hypotenuse is the angle theta. If tangent of the acute angle theta is opposite divided by adjacent, then inverse tangent of opposite divided by adjacent is the acute angle theta. Now we are going to find the missing angle from this given triangle. So let me sketch the triangle first. So in this triangle, this is a right triangle. So theta is an acute angle. The side that's next to the angle theta is 11. The side that's opposite with the angle theta is 26. So we are going to label this is the adjacent side because next to the side is next to the angle theta. This is the opposite side because it is opposite with the angle theta. Now we need to find the acute angle theta. So we are going to use tangent. So since we know that tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent, then we will do inverse of tangent. Inverse tangent of 26 over 11, which is opposite over adjacent, is the angle theta. Now put them in your calculator with the mode in degrees. Then you should be able to see your angle theta. So then your angle theta is about 67 degrees. Now let's get the next triangle. In this triangle, this is a right triangle. And let's label the acute angles. Again, we call this the angle theta. We have a right angle. So we know that the opposite with the angle theta is 14 units. The hypotenuse, which is the side opposite with 90 degrees, is 16 units. So let's label. This is the hypotenuse. This is the opposite. So now if we want to find the angle theta, we have to use sine. Okay, so the sine of the angle theta is opposite over hypotenuse, so 14 over 16. Then we are going to use inverse sine. Inverse sine of 14 divided by 16 is the acute angle theta. Put in our calculator the most in degrees, so therefore the angle theta it is about 61 degrees. Okay, let's look at the next example. So again, given a right triangle, and we ask to find the angle theta, the acute angle. Given the hypotenuse, which is 12, which is the side opposite with the right angle, 12, which is 12 units. The adjacent, which is the side that's next to the angle theta, 5. So I'm going to label this as hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent. So again, to find the angle theta, since we know the adjacent and the hypotenuse, then we are going to use cosine. So the cosine theta is adjacent 5 over hypotenuse 12. Then you inverse cosine of 5 over 12 is the angle theta. And now put this expression in your calculator. Make sure that you mode in degrees. Then the angle theta is about 65 degrees. Okay, so this will be the conclusion for this video. Let's find out the summary. In this video, we learned how to use inverse trigonometric function, to find a missing angle. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in class. Goodbye.